Hi friends, welcome to Max Me Education online classes. I am your Manohar sir. Today our topic is powers and exponents. So before powers and exponents, so what is multiplication? So I am taking for example 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? 3 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 12, 15. That is equal to 15. So what is multiplication means? Number of additions. 3 5s are 15. What is it meanings? If we add 3 5 times, we are getting easy. Okay? Same. That means the multiplication become very easy. Multiple change, addition is very easy. So every time is not possible. For example, you have to take 10 15s are 10 15s are 150. Already we know. So is it possible to write 10 15 times and add? It is a biggest process. So multiplication make easy way. Say if instead of plus, if writing multiplications, is there any choice? That is we are going for the powers and exponents. Observe here. For example, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So how many times? 5 5 is 25, 25, 125, 625. So how we are writing? Is there any easy way? Is there any easy way? So simply you have to write 5 power 4. We have to write 5 raised power 4. Understand? So 5 power 4. So whenever we are multiple 5 4 times, we are writing 5 power 4. 5 into 5 into 5. So here multiplication very easy. What happened? Multiplication is very easy in these situations. Okay? Same example. If I have to take 3 into 3. We have to write 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 square. That means 3 raised power 2. 3 raised power 2. 3 square. Okay? For example, 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. Same if I take 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. I am writing 2 power 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Okay? But in generally, what we have to take? In multiplication, we have to take 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Similarly, 2 into 3 also 6. 3 2 ja 6 are 6, 3 2 ja 6 are 2 3 ja 6. But in powers, 3 square 3 power 2 is not equal to 2 power 3. Because here we are multiple 3 2 times, but here multiple 2 3 times. Okay, that is a difference. So whenever you have to multiply any number, so the multiple, this is called 5 exponents of 5 raised power of 4. Okay? Similarly, I take another one number. So, if I take A into A into A into up to n times into A. That is called A power n. How many times? N times. That means we are multiple A n times. Here A is called base. A is called base. N is called power or exponents. Power. Okay? Exponents. Exponents. Okay? Exponents. A is base. X is a power n. A power n. That is A is base and P is the power. Okay, these are the introduction of power. Power means, so you have to write how many times we are multiple. Okay, right. So multiplication easy, addition easy. Multiplication make addition easy. So powers makes multiplication easy. Okay, right. So for example, so you have to take 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. How much we can write? So simple, you have to write 2 power 2 means 2 into 2. Here into, as I am writing 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. So I am writing 2 multiple 2 times. 3 multiple 3 times. That is equal to 2 power 5. That means a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So basis is same. If basis important. If basis is even, product of 2 powers is equal to, I have to add power exponents only. I have to add exponents. Okay, right. So similarly we have to write next a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. A power m into n. Again a power m by a power n base n is equal to, so that means in denominator, just you have to write a power m minus n. So for these I am writing, observe here. So you have to take any number 3 power 5 by 3 power 2. How we are writing? So 3 power 8 means I am writing 3 5 times, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 by 3 2 times, 3 into 3. So 2 get cancelled. 1 2 3. I am writing 3 power 3. Same if I am applying this formula. So what is the power? 3 power 5 minus 2. That is equal to 3 by 3. Both are same. These are the some formulas on exponents. So using this formula we can solve some problems on powers and exponents. Okay, right. Next, some problems on powers and exponents. So before going to problem, we have some formulas. A power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. A power m into a power m is equal to ab whole power m. So if bases are equal, then we are add power. If powers are equal, bases are not equal, and that I have to write power only. Okay, ab whole power m. Next, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n, or a power minus n, it is become positive. Simple. So power in denominator bring in numerator, it is negative. If power in negative in numerator bring this denominator, automatically it is a positive. A power minus n, bring numerator a power n. A power minus n, bring in denominator, this is positive. Next, a power 0, you have to take any number, it power 0, the value is always 1. Next, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m, b power n, there is the powers. And have to take any number, so power 2, 5, it is called square. 5 square, how to write 2, 6 square, 10 square, how to write power 2, it is called square 2. Next, if power 3, this is cube, 5 cube, okay, 6 cube, power 3. So next after 3, 4, power 5, didn't have any name. Next after that, 5 power 4, 5 power 6, 5 power 10 only. Okay, right. So now we are going some problems. So 2 power 10 into 2 power 4, how we are simple? 2 power 10 into 2 power 4. this principle I am applying, that is equal to 2 power 10 plus 4, that is equal to 2 power 14. Okay, simple concept, right? Next, here 3 power 2 into 3 power 2 whole power 4, that is equal to 3 power 2 as it is I am writing, a power m whole power n, a power m into n, that is equal to 3. 4 2 ja or 2 4 ja 4 2 ja same, 2 4 ja 8, that is equal to 3 power, that is equal to 3 power 10, 3 power 10. Okay, right. Next, again you have to remember one thing. So a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Okay, but sometimes is given a power m whole power n. So don't write a power m into n. So here we have to multiple, but you have to find m multiple 2 times, m power n. So both are not equal. Both are not equal. Okay, a power m whole power n means both are not equal. Understand? Right. So for how we are take means 2 power 2 whole power 3 is equal to 2 power 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 power 6. So if 2 power 2 whole power 3, observe clearly here, that means 2 power 3 have to multiple 2 3 times, that is equal to 2 3 times means 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 power 8. So both are not equal. Understand? Don't be confused. Some members are writing both are equal. Don't confuse. Don't do that mistakes also. Okay. Next, here also 2 power 3a plus 7, 2 power 7a plus 3. So 2 power 3a plus 7 into 2 power 7a plus 3. Add simple. 2 power 3a plus 7a plus 7 plus 3, that is equal to 2 power 10a plus 10, that is equal to 2 power 10 into a plus 1. Then I am taking common, that's equal to a plus 1. Okay, right. Next, so here also a power x into a power y into a power z, that is equal to a power x plus y plus z. Simple, add all. Okay, right. Next, this is also over. Simple. Any power 0, here I have to write 2 power 0 means 1, 3 power 0 means 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, these are the some problems on powers and exponents. These are the formulas. These formulas using you can solve the problems. Okay, thank you.